Early in the morning, like 5 or 4 o'clock, this man was really working hard, was plowing the streets. And this is in front of the church and also the rectory. This is taken from my window. I really appreciate this hardworking person plowing the streets, cleaning so that everyone will be safe. So and we just go back and forth, and there are some areas that you can't clean because some cars are parked on the street overnight. And this is like 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's still snowing. Maybe overnight there was
more than an inch.
12 inches, a foot of snow probably. The world is like white when I woke up this morning. This is the church, the Sacred Heart Catholic Church. We don't have mass
The whole night.
this morning. Mass today will be at 6 o'clock, so nobody is around. Nobody was really outside.
We
Nobody's
cleared the road, but
driving
just,
because it's
like
really
one lane only.
dangerous. Like this one, looks like road is flat, but actually this is a slope. There's an angle. This is towards the mountain, and it's really dangerous. So maybe I could go sledding in this part of this road.
It's not today.
I have a sled, so maybe
Still
this afternoon I'll do that.
snowing.
This is the park in front of the church.
I wonder, when it's snowing, it's not really that cold. But I know people in the Sacramento area, even in Bay Area, they're telling me it's really, really cold up there. But right here in Susanville, it's snowing, but it's not really that cold.
This is the part where that man was working hard early in the morning. He's plowing all the snow on the other side where there's no cars parked. This is the entrance of our Sacred Heart Park, and it's all white. It's beautiful. I mean, it's like postcard picturesque picture.
So today is Thursday, and the forecast is that it's gonna be snowing until Saturday. So
Nindot kay tanaw. It's really beautiful. all white, and I'm using this time my snow shoes. And that's our dari mag-ihaw-ihaw. So may ihaw diya, snow ihaw. Look at that snow on top of the table. It's like a foot
I wish I could open this one.
thick.
There you go.
Mao na diya. Dirita puyo sa bukid. Kada winter time, mao ni siya ang problema. Pero nindot siya kayo. Kabukid lang ang snow sa daplin sa dalan. Ya dili na siya maagian og 2 lanes kay ibuldos man siya. Ang usa ka lane puno na sa snow. Ang usa na lang ka lane ang kwan. It's also dangerous kay kining sidewalk. There's like a ditch or canal on the other side. So you be very careful when walking in this sidewalk. Look at that snow. Pwede diri si Marilu magdagandagan. By the way, I don't let my dog this time go out because she was limping. Luoy kayo kay sakit yung tiil. Girayuma, pares na ko. Snow pa more. Mountain of snow. Look at that. Nahinay lang taga-agi din kay lisod na o mapiangan ta. Para ba tayo ginikanan din yung dapita. Pwede na magdula-dula mga bata dere pero look. Huwag yung naglakaw-lakaw sa dalan. Kininong taga Baluarte na naglakaw-lakaw sa dalan. Siya raw sa tarawa, walay tao. Nobody's around. Wala, diya. Nindot kayo sa tanaw ng kahoy nga walay dahon. Mutindog sa kadlaw.
It's like winter Wonderland. This is the apple tree. It's a red apple. Red apple tree. No leaves, no fruits. There you go. And
Lami kayo magbalay-balay daring
that's
dapita.
a cherry tree.
Na siya, muna siya ang among cherry tree. Na.
The halo-halo is ready. There you go. That's a big halo-halo. A lot of staples. That's more than 1 foot of snow.
Lami kayo maghimog halo-halo kay
It's a church right
pure good ang snow. Di na ta masigi kud-kud, di na ta masigi kuhan sa ice.
It's beautiful.
sa palanggali na siya kaadlaw sa nakaog mabta ni siya hantod sa Biyernes, Sabado, Domingo. Muna ang mga silingan ilang ato puti kayo. Kini siya muna siyang sidewalk din eh. Pero karon lisod kayo magtagatuhod ang snow. So muna ang mga cars nga gipark nila overnight na imo na sad na silang kalutod kay naman sila sa kilid. Imo na siyang palaho na sad na nimo. Sometimes lisod kayo pag magkawa sa sakinan kung nag-snow. Labi na o gipark nimo sa sulod sa imong garahe. Kabre nimo sa imong door. Dili ka kagawas. Ang imo na sana siyang palapalahon. Muna siya ang trabaho din eh. Pag gawas ka, ala, kagabi mo siyang butang sa garage. Manang uban diri na lang sa dalan mag-parking kay sa yun ram pagpagawa sa sakinan. Usay o sa garahe na lisod kayo pagpagawa sa sakinan. Kinahanglan po yun ka magpala-pala. Na park pa more. Niya pala-pala tadiha. Mana siya ang Susanville. This is Susanville, California. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Thank you.